When she first came to us, she wasn't struggling to make money. She was struggling to make it feel like it meant something again. Her business was working. She had clients. She had consistency. But every piece of her brand felt generic. The visuals, the copy, even her client process. It all looked like everyone else's. She said to us, "I built something successful, but it doesn't look like me. It doesn't feel like it belongs in the world I want to be in." And that's when we asked her a question that changed everything. What if your business felt more like a boutique hotel, designed around experience, not efficiency? That's the moment she went quiet, because she knew exactly what we meant. See, great boutique hotels don't just sell rooms. They sell the feeling of arrival. They sell sensory immersion, the scent when you walk in, the texture of the linen, the tone of the lighting, the rhythm of the music. Every detail is intentional, because every detail tells a story. And that's what was missing from her business. It wasn't that her work wasn't good. It was that her experience didn't match her excellence. Her brand was operating like a 3-star chain with 5-star service trapped inside. And what she needed wasn't a rebrand. It was a redesign of her entire perception ecosystem. That's where design thinking comes in. When we rebuilt her brand, we didn't start with logos or fonts or color palettes. We started with the emotion she wanted people to feel when they experienced her world. We asked her, "What's the emotional architecture of your brand? What happens to someone the moment they step into it?" She said she wanted her clients to feel calm, elevated, seen, like they were in capable hands, but with a touch of wonder. That became our blueprint, because design thinking is about solving human problems with creative precision. It's what luxury brands understand intuitively, that your customer isn't buying the thing, they're buying the feeling the thing gives them. So we rebuilt her business around that principle. The first step was simplification. Boutique hotels don't overwhelm you with options, they curate, they edit. And that's exactly what we did for her offers. She had 6 different programs that all blurred together. We refined them down to 2, one high-touch, high-value transformation, and one scalable group experience. The moment she simplified, her energy changed, her confidence returned. And suddenly, she wasn't selling, she was inviting, because clarity is magnetic. The second step was sensory alignment. We rebuilt her brand identity to look and feel like the transformation she delivers. Soft neutrals, architectural fonts, quiet white space. It became a digital reflection of her philosophy. Her website no longer screamed coach. It whispered destination. And that's the difference. Most people build websites to inform. Luxury brands build websites to immerse. That's exactly what we help our clients create inside our template shop. Ready-made luxury websites designed with design thinking principles baked in. Contrast, cadence, composition, emotion. Everything working together to make your visitors feel the brand before they even read a word. The third step, and this one was the hardest, was experience design. We reimagined her entire client journey from first touch to final delivery. We designed her onboarding like a boutique check-in. We replaced chaos with curation. Even the way she delivered feedback changed. We built an automated personalized system that sent follow-up touchpoints that felt human, not robotic. Because people don't remember processes. They remember how they felt inside them. And the result? Within 60 days of relaunch, her close rate doubled, without changing her pricing. In fact, her clients began saying things like, "This feels like a luxury experience." That's when she realized she wasn't competing anymore. She was leading. Here's the truth most entrepreneurs miss. Your brand isn't just what people see, it's what people sense. And when you design your brand like a boutique hotel, when every touch point, texture, and tone is intentional, your offers stop needing persuasion. They sell themselves through presence. That's why we teach our clients to think like designers, not just business owners. Because design thinking isn't about aesthetics. It's about empathy, psychology, and strategy. It's the art of making people want to belong to your world, and the science of making that world easy to navigate once they do. And that's exactly what we help you master inside the Signature program. It's the framework that teaches you how to combine your intellectual property with high-ticket systems, emotional design, and an offer suite that sells naturally, without gimmicks, without discounts, and without burnout. Our clients don't chase attention, they command it. Because when you build your business like a boutique brand, refined, immersive, and beautifully aligned, people don't just want what you sell. They want you. If you're ready to stop building offers that drain you and start building a business that delights you, watch our private training below. You'll learn the same frameworks we use to help founders just like her scale to consistent 20 to 40K months by creating brand ecosystems that convert without convincing. And if you want your digital space to feel like the level you're meant to play at, explore our luxury template shop. Each template is strategically designed with luxury psychology and conversion architecture built in, so you can have a brand that not only looks beautiful, it performs. Because when your brand feels like a boutique hotel, your audience doesn't check in and leave. They stay, they buy, and they tell everyone they know about the experience. That's how you build something iconic, quietly, intentionally, and unmistakably yours.